my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to reset Wyze outdoor camera, factory reset, re-add the camera and fix offline. For resetting the Wyze camera, first of all remove the camera from the app. Because the camera is offline, you must first delete it from your account properly. Open the Wyze app on your phone, tap to Wyze Cam Outdoor, tap the option of gear icon, scroll to the bottom and select the deleted device and confirm the action. After that, factory reset the camera. Locate the power and the setup button. Ensure the camera is powered on and release the button when the status light being to yellow, and wait for the 30 seconds for the camera to reboot. Once the light is flashing rapidly, so it is ready to set up, and then you re-add the camera. For re-adding the camera, make sure you have 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So you open app, go for add devices, then camera and select your Wyze camera outdoor. Just scan the QR code. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.